Good afternoon, boys and girls. Just wanted to do a little video to help you with your homework tonight if you needed some assistance. If we take this number, 27,348, we want to see if we can round the number to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So we'll start by, in the tens place, by drawing us a vertical number line like we always start our rounding. And we look at that number and what's in the tens place. The 4 is in the tens place, so that's going to be 40 as our 10 there. So we're going to start with our starting point at the bottom, 27,340. And my next 10 higher, which goes at the top of our number line, is going to be 27,350. Now remember, after we find our 2 points, we look for our midpoint. 27,345. That's the midpoint between 340 and 350. 27,340 and 27,350. Now remember, our number is 27,348. So where do I place 27,348 on the number line? It would be about there, 27,348. So because that number is above our midpoint, this number would round in the tens place to 27,350. Now we're ready to move on to the hundreds place. What digit's in the hundreds place? The 3 is in the hundreds place. So that tells me where my starting point is. So I draw my vertical number line. What hundred do I start with? 27,300. What's my next hundred? Where does my number fall between, or what 2 hundreds does my number fall between? 27,400. So my number falls between 27,300, 27,400. What's my midpoint? Well, 50 is the midpoint of hundreds, so it's going to be 27,350. So where does my actual number fall then on this number line? 27,348 is going to be so close to 27,350. So it's really close to my midpoint, but is it above or below my midpoint? It's below my midpoint, so my number is going to round to 27,300 in the hundreds column. You would continue to do the same thing with thousands and 10,000s. Thank you. Have a good evening and good luck rounding tonight.